You guys, first off, I got carded after doing this look. Holy crap, I'm almost 50 years old. Hallelujah, she still looks good. Look what came in today. This would be the Jeffree Star Deluxe Summer Mystery Box for $100. Y'all want to see what I got? Y'all want to see if I got the pink ticket? I hope I got a pink ticket. I really want that, what is it, canopy tent thing? I really want it. It's hot pink. It's beautiful. I want it. Y'all know what to do. Just stay tuned. It's coming up. Let's see what your girl got. Okay, my loves, let's get some scissors out. Let's cut her and check her out. I have no idea what is in here. I haven't done any sneak peeks, nothing. I have no idea. So I spent $100 on it. It's the deluxe box. I think you're supposed to get 7 to 8 items, 1 exclusive item. You guys. Oh, and we got to keep our eyes out for the pink tickets. And then if you get a pink ticket, you email them and they put you in a random drawing and pull somebody out who got the pink tickets. Look what I see right on top. I do not have any of Jeffree's fanny bags, believe it or not. And it's the purple one. Oh my gosh. It's like a purse. I actually love the style of these. I really do. Now I want to see the inside. Yes, okay. So it actually has a side pocket here. Let's get stuffing out of here. And it has Jeffree's logo right there. I can't believe I don't have one of those. One of these. And she's purple. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes. Somebody sent me my box way early. And somebody sent me the purple fanny I've always wanted. Thank you. Okay, guys. We actually have blue stuffing in here. Oh. No, the tickets are like hard and metal. I would have felt it if there was a ticket in there. Okay, let's do this. We have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. What in the world is it, though, Mr. Jeffree? Well, let's just get some scissors and take the cellophane off and check it out. And try not to ruin it. Because whatever it is, it's wrapped in cellophane. I wonder if this is the Pink Ranch palette. The whole point of the summer mystery boxes. To get this palette out there and used and shown off. Beautiful packaging. Kind of goes with my look today. And of course your girl had to wear her queen t-shirt. I don't know if y'all can see it. There we go. She's a queen today. Yes. All right, guys. Let's get back to it. Let's get this opened up and see what it is. How do we... Oh, okay. Oh, it's a single shadow case. It's a Z-Pack. Nice. I have not kept any of his single shades because it's very hard for me to keep track of the little single shades. So I've actually been making up my own Z palettes and cutting cards and putting them on top. I like that a lot. Gorgeous. I didn't even know he made Z palettes. What in the world? Okay, this must be the Ranch palette. Let's check it out. Check it out. Bubble wrap and tissue paper. Star Ranch. Now, from what I've seen, you know, on his videos, he says, don't expect the pinks in it. Yada, yada, yada. Let's just open her up and see what she is about. Oh my gosh, so far I'm keeping everything that's in here. Look at that. That is so cute. 369 palette. Alright, this has no business being in a pink cover at all. This is like down-home, country, nitty-gritty type of palette. The blues and the browns, and you got one green shade. And it kind of looks like shades from Blue Blood. Orgy palette. And I think Star Creek actually looks like it may be from Alien palette. They're all very, very similar. You've got Yak Farm, Owl Eyes, Open Range, Casper Mountain, Wyoming, Star Creek, Old Jeff, Grand Prismatic, and Winter Wind. All of them read from left to right, guys. Here she is. And then there's your mirror. That's cute. That is a very cute palette, actually. Okay. We have a Bullet Lippy. And she, ooh, Bloodstain. I don't have this. What is going on here? What the crap? Here she is. Look at that. Ooh, she's a lot like Unicorn Blood. Oh, she's so pretty. I already got lipstick on. Not a video of Sunny on Drop Something. That was very heavy. Let's swatch it. Oh, it's so pretty. So it looks like it's going to be a seriously red color as soon as you get it on. It's not. Surprise. How beautiful. It's a balm. It's a lip balm. I could go ahead and put it on over this. To give it a little shimmer. It made this very creamy. This was a matte dried down lipstick. Yeah. I don't know where my lid went. I'm going to have to... Oh, I found it. Be right back. That was quick. So it's called Bloodstain, and it's just a lip balm. Beautiful, beautiful lip balm. I love that shade. Here she is. And I did put her on the lips. Okay, we got some more. More. What do we got here? Celebrity Skin. Dang it, I think this is that pale pink one. Please don't be pale. Yeah, it is. Okay. So, this isn't for me. It's way too light, guys. I can't use it on my eyes. No. This will go on a giveaway for you guys. What do we got? Ooh la la, we got a lip scrub. Which one is this? Of course, Velour lip scrub, we know this. Pink grapefruit. I have blue raspberry and bubblegum. Yeah. Ooh, she's pretty. So pretty. Now, all his lip scrubs are edible, so. Oh, yes. It smells just like pink grapefruit, you guys. I love grapefruit, actually. So, I'll be keeping this. I can't believe the stuff I'm keeping. Holy cannoli. The lid is back on, finally. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There is more. The gloss. Yes, this is Lord Star. And I think I already have Lord Star. So if I do, this will go in a giveaway. And hopefully I don't tear the boxes up, because these are quite complicated to get out of. Do I have Lord Star? I don't think I have this, you guys. I do not have this. Oh, I have this one. Which one is this? Let's look. Look. Okay. This one is Sorcery. Yeah, this one is Sorcery from the Bloodlust collection. This one is Lord Star. Here she is. Ooh-wee. She is purple. Oh. We will be putting her on over these red lips. Oh, so pretty. Oh, gosh dang, you guys. Oh, just gorgeous. Horrible swatch, but gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, look at that purple shimmer. Shimmer. Oh, yeah. It just gives it that nice little pop. And they smell so good. Like cotton candy filled haven. I love his glosses. Yes. Wow, another thing I'm keeping. Holy cannoli, you guys. There's still more. There's still more. We haven't found the pink ticket yet, though. Fingers crossed, guys. Okay, we got intravenous, lemon drop, and licorice. I think those are all from the Jawbreaker palettes. Okay, blue wrapping. Blue wrapping. No pink ticket. No pink ticket. You guys, I'm super thrilled with every item that I got in here. The 3 single shades, plus finally a Z palette to go with his single shades. We got the lip balm. This one here. We got a gloss I did not have. So beautiful right there. Pink grapefruit lip scrub I did not have. Celebrity Skins going in a giveaway. The Star Ranch palette. Down Home Country palette. That's what this is. But you can be a country girl and not wear Down Home dirty colors. They're not dirty. They're just dark. And you guys, I finally got a purple fanny pack. Yes, I love it so much. So, yeah, I need little purses like this. Look, all along this it says Jeffree, and it has a star. And then the gold clasp. It also has a Jeffree star on there. And you just squeeze and... Well, Sonny, you gotta be smarter than the contraption. Maybe. Okay, first there's cellophane on it so it doesn't get all scratched up. Maybe that's what's keeping it from unclasping. I wouldn't think so. Gosh darn. Ugh. Well, Mr. Jeffree, it doesn't do me any good to have this if I can't get it off. To be able to get it on. Wonderful choice of words there, Sonny. Okay. It is off. There is the beautiful logo. It's on both sides. There we go. Wiggle, wiggle. Comes right off and pops right back on. And that's not cheap. It's actually a very good clasp. All right, my loves. That is it for my Jeffree Star Deluxe Mystery Summer Box. I am thoroughly, thoroughly pleased with it. 3 singles, a Z palette, a fanny pack, a bullet balm, a gloss, a lip scrub, and the Star Ranch palette. All right, loves, that is all. Y'all know the drill. Give your girl a thumbs up or give her a thumbs down. It just lets me know which videos y'all prefer seeing more. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Hold up just 1 minute. Sneaky, sneaky girl here. I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway in this video. All 3 single shades. Celebrity Skin. Let's do her that way. And the Z palette. If you would like to be entered into this giveaway, for one, you better watch the whole video because you don't know unless you watch the whole thing. Sneaky Pete. Like the video. You must be subscribed. I must be able to go to your channel or email you or something to show me that you are subscribed to me. Tell me, what is your favorite Jeffree Star product? Is it his fanny bags, which I'm super excited to have? Is it his lip velours? Is it his eyeshadows? Or is it his accessories? Or his glosses? All right, guys, in the comments below, tell me what your favorite Jeffree Star product is. Be subscribed, like this video, watch the video in full. I'll do the drawing. Let's see. This coming Thursday, we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. Doing the drawing for that one. So we'll run this. Let's see. Today's the 17th. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27. Let's run this till the 31st. So we'll pick a winner on July 31st of the 3 single shades, the Z palette, and Celebrity Skin, guys. Make sure you comment below what's your favorite Jeffree Star product. Make sure you follow the rules. Your girl's had enough of people not doing that. All right, my loves, now you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up or give her a thumbs down. It just lets me know which videos y'all prefer to see more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.